Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here to do an estimate for a house wash, gentle detergent wash cleaning on the aluminum soffit here and a gutter clean. So we're going to clean the debris out of the gutters and then do a flush of the system, the downspouts, make sure everything is good to go. While you're on your property, we'll also do a full gutter and roof inspection, make sure that everything is good to go there. It's just part of the service. And when we wash your siding, we don't actually use high pressure. We actually work safely from the ground with no scaffolding, no brushing, no high pressure. Our cleaners do all the work for us. So pick the package down below that best meets your needs. It's going to restore all the look of your aluminum siding, whether it's steel or aluminum. Our gentle detergent washing process is perfect for this. It is a rarity, but on occasion, maybe 1 out of 100 houses, sometimes the sun or excess lichen and moss on these surfaces has kind of prematurely failed some of the painted surfaces from the factory, and when we apply water, it can wash away some of that oxidized paint or damaged paint because of the lichen and moss. So I want you to be fully aware of that. You'll be in good shape. We're going to clean off the awning there, and the soffits and gutters will come out brand new, so it'll look like a brand new house. And this is all we do, is a low pressure detergent based cleaning, house washing, roof cleaner in the Madison area, and you're looking to have the same services done. Don't hesitate to go to our website, multimanservices.com, and we offer roof maintenance services. We can look of your roof by applying a conditioning oil and doing a gutter clean, house wash. Look forward to working with you. My name is Eddie. Call or text 815-520-6020. Thank you.